The market is opening in 22 seconds. So if this I get this trade and it goes our way, we are looking at possibly close to $200 profits. There, now the waiting game also begins. US30, I can see it also pushed a bit up. I just woke up to this, and yeah, bro is already plotting, but I don't think I'm gonna take this buy here. I think I'd rather wait for a sell. I think I'd rather wait for a sell. I think the sell might come to fruition at around New York session. As you can see now, it's still the London session. Also, this is how US30 is going. We're still about around the highest price we reached yesterday on this trade. So we're still waiting for the market to possibly, as you can see, there's some kind of a pattern there. I'm waiting for the market to break it. If it breaks it to the upside, then that's good. If it breaks it to the downside, then that is very bad for my trade. That is very bad. Then I might put my stop loss to break even there, because it will be telling me that the push to the upside might not come to fruition. Hey, is this weird, but I'm actually putting my stop loss to break even already, because the pattern is very clear. If it's broken to the downside, upside momentum is no longer really there. So I'm gonna put my stop loss at least. Okay, let's say here then. No, actually, let me just put it to break even, because it is what it is, man. The market will do whatever it wants. Okay, so we have broken even on this trade. Now let's just let the market do its thing. So here is the dashboard. As you can see, we are left with $118 profits, but this includes this profit that is already running here on US30. You see, this profit is already included in this. Okay, so let's wait for this US30 trade to see if it does hit TP. Let's see how much we will be left with, so that we can pass this phase one. I didn't take that scaling entry because I don't want to receive the email again of one-sided betting. So so I'm not sure if we hit TP, are we gonna pass this challenge or not. I'm not sure really. I really wanna see. Because full TP is at $164. I don't know if we do get to 400 USD before full TP, I'm gonna close. So finally the trade has hit TP, and this is the account balance. This is the setup. This one I didn't take it. The scaling, I already explained why. So we need $12 more to pass phase 1. So if I do get a setup, I might risk $10 to make $12. Yeah, it's something. I won't risk too much because I'm already so close to passing. So once again, we are almost there. You need just $11 to pass this phase. Decent enough win rate, especially considering our RR. Yeah, you just need $11, and I'm already planning on taking this trade here on gold, this one here, but my stop loss here is $10, so I think around here I'm gonna be already having my profit target met if it goes my way. So I'm not gonna hold all the way until here. The market is pushing nicely from the zone. Very nice push. So let me go to the $13 left still. Oh, I don't know what I was doing, but let me go to the history, because this thing of trading two accounts, you see, I took $13 loss because I used the wrong lot size. You see, 0.05. So I have two evaluation accounts. So I took the trade on that account, and then when I came over to this account, I forgot I need to change the lot size. But then I put in a stop loss. Then after hitting my stop loss, then I took this trade here. Yeah, I don't think I need to say much, but yeah, I'll be lost at $13 and another $10. So I think let me check actually how much we need now to pass the phase 1, but I'm confident that it's still recoverable, man. I don't want to mess this up. I'm just gonna, okay, we need $35. I don't want to mess this up. I'm just gonna remain calm. The next trade, I'm most probably gonna get it at Asian session, as you can see now. Okay, if now this pattern, it was clear, we was preparing for a buy, but I was looking at the lower time frame saying we could possibly go to the downside, but it's okay. If we close above here, as you can see, 25 minutes until the candle closes, then I will be looking for something like this, a retracement into this and a move up. Okay, let me see, is this, yeah, because we have this is a pattern, 15 minutes breakout. I can take this now, but I'm not really a fan of taking a trade when the session is about to end. Momentum is going to end now, so I need this thing to just play around here, and then Asian session come tap, go to the upside. Yeah, if that doesn't happen, if it shoots straight up here, then it's okay, man, nothing I can do. So I'm not, but now I'm not going to take a trade. I'm done actually, because this is the time. Those trades, I took them at around, let me see, yeah, as you can see, the New York session was still fairly new. As you can see, it opened at around here, so it was 1 hour and 45 minutes into the session. That's when I took my trade, and then it went into profits, as you can see, then came back to stop me out. But it's okay, man, it's okay. So Asian session, let's wait for it. Now we're not taking a trade. I've learned my lesson not to take a trade when at the end of a session. And USDT they fly. USDT they fly. So what I'm waiting for on USDT, is for the market to come to this zone up here. Yep, as you can see, we have some kind of a order block. I don't think it's gonna cause much reaction. At the least it can do is something like this, right? We come to tap this and possibly come back to this prices down here, to these prices. At least that's the least it can do, and from there we could possibly continue to the upside. Yeah, we'll see. I know I said I'll wait for the Asian session, but this thing is looking too clean, man. This thing is looking too clean. Like a clean break out of the 1 hour retracement into this candle. This thing is looking too clean, bro. I kind of feel compelled to take this. Yeah, I kind of feel compelled, man. So this is how it's looking on MT5. Risking $13 to make 38, and I think I need 35 to pass this challenge, to pass phase 1. So I will take the risk. I will take the risk. So we will see.